Bishop Ramos.
Welcome.
Welcome to CBP Antique 13th Anniversary.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the joint breakfast meeting of the Brotherhood of Christian Businessmen and Professionals, Antique Outlets, in celebrating our 13th year anniversary.
For today, the theme of our sharing is Duc in Altum, or put out into the deep. It means to go deeper into our personal relationship with the Lord and to fully commit to evangelize and spread the word of God as we are called to do.
God is pushing us to go into the deep.
Children were brought to Jesus that he might lay his hands on them and pray. The disciples rebuked them, but Jesus said, "Let the children come to me.